Hi everyone, thanks again for tuning in to the Calm and Relaxing channel here on YouTube. I'm Jim. Wanted to share one other really helpful thing I've had with my MacBook Pro. My MacBook Pro is a 13-inch. It comes with two USB-C ports. Unlike some of the older MacBook Pros where they had a USB-A connector built in along maybe with a memory card reader, now you just get a USB-C, two of them at least on the 13-inch. And I did buy a USB-C to USB adapter, and I've had one before and found it's really helpful for looking at thumb drives that I've had that are just the USB-A style of port, and I've also had external hard drives that are more inexpensive if I buy the USB, just regular ones. But I've had recently where with just one of these, it's just really difficult to try to copy everything onto the hard drive or the SSD drive of the MacBook Pro. I think I've got a 256 gigabyte SSD drive, but that quickly gets filled up as you have more users. I've got my daughter and my wife on that same MacBook Pro. I just want to copy sometimes from one hard drive to another. I just bought another one of these, and yes, they're $19. You get them from Apple. I've heard some mixed reviews about some of the hubs you can buy. Some are great, but they also have some that are just horrible reviews, where you'll have a few good ones and some terrible ones. And so frankly, for $19, I figure I'm just going to stick to these from Apple. The first one I have is not giving me any troubles. I know some people have complained about these. I've not had any troubles. I'll just show you here real briefly. By having two of these, it allows you to now have two hard drives, or to copy from one hard drive to the other, or from one thumb drive to another. So I think that's going to be much more helpful. In the end, I think this is the way to go. Just thought I'd share that with you in case it's also helpful to any of you. Thank you for watching the channel. I hope you'll subscribe. We're going to continue to have a whole variety of videos, some Apple related, computers, cameras, camera equipment, vlogging, what I'm doing right now. I would like to share with you how I do some of these, some of the equipment I've purchased over the years, and what I'm doing and what I've learned in the process. So again, thanks for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button, and we're going to keep showing you some more information that hopefully is helpful to you. Take care.